Up now!
Happy naman kami sa naging decision namin.
We're not ashamed of it.
Planchado na sana ang afternoon soap ng GMA7 na maging aking kalamang. Napapalit sana sa pasan ko ang daigdig nang biglang kinumpirma ni Jeneline Mercado nitong Huwebes na mahigit 6 na linggo na siyang buntis sa nobyong si Patrick Garcia. Sina Patrick at Jeneline ang mga pangunahing tauhan sa naturang panoorin na bagamat nakailang araw na sila ng pagtitaping ay kinailangan silang alisin doon. Desisyon na rin daw ni Jeneline na isakripisyo ang naturang soap alang-alang sa kanyang dinadala.
6 weeks and 2 days.
Siyempre, isa pang test.
Mga tatlo para sigurado. So, pare-pareho.
Yung pare-pareho resulta, siyempre. Yun, nangibabaw siyempre yung kaba.
Sinabahan kami.
Hindi muna kami na-excite, siyempre mas natakot muna kami. Tapos inisip namin kung sino yung mga dapat pagsabihan, yung sa condition ni Jen. Tapos told the manager, our parents. Well, actually, si Jen nagsabi sa mami ko, okay naman.
Hindi ko nga alam kung excited ako. Hindi. Kasi nakita ko, ang dami kasi nga abalahin eh. Daming asikasuhin eh. Kaya sabi ko, ano ba yun? Hindi ko pa mapin yung excitement.
Sa akin, of course, mixed emotion eh. Siyempre, I was thinking about, what will happen to them for their career, for business side points of view, no? And then, they're still young to tie that together pa for me, and at the same time, of course, I'm happy at least it's a gift from God, if it is really kung positive nga. We found out positive this morning.
At dahil nais daw panagutan ni Patrick ang nangyari, pinungo nila ni Jeneline ang sala ni Makati City Hall Judge Selma Palacio Alaras upang formal silang pagbuklurin bilang mag-asawa under civil rights. Ngunit walang kasalang na idaos.
Sabi ko sa kanila to determine their priorities. Gusto ba nila magpakasal? O ang priority ba nila ay yung isa't isa? O yung baby? So, they have decided na marriage can wait. Meron po kasing bagong administrative order ang Supreme Court na all conducts of civil marriage must be raffled. So, anybody who would like to have a marriage celebrated by a judge would have to go by a raffle system. So they cannot just pick whoever judge they want. So mangyari, raffle sa isang judge and then you decide what date you want. So they cannot just come here and get married. So imposible yung mangyari, kisasal sila ngayon.
Siyempre, pumasok yun sa isip niya, list nila, pero they wanted muna some legal advice. Parang pag everything is clear, probably by then they can decide already kung talagang, they're really meant for each other and
Pumayag na rin daw si Patrick na hindi matuloy ang kanilang civil wedding ni Jeneline bilang pagbibigay daan sa ating ang si Cheska na matagal nang pinlanong magpakasal October this year.
Sister ko muna. Well, ask for legal advice and it's very easy to get married. Napakadali lang yan, pero syempre we have to be ready emotionally, physically, and financially. Syempre gusto kong panagutan yung nagawa ko, that's why I'm here. Pero yun, first and foremost, pinaka-importante yung si Jen saka yung magiging baby namin.
So sabi ko, well, better kayong dalawa ni Patrick mag-decide kung anong plano nyo. Definitely, walang kasalan this year. Siyempre, unfair naman para sa boyfriend ni Cheska na, they prepared for it, they had the one whole year, going around, fixing everything, pagkatapos biglang mauunahan pa.
Si Cheska ang ikakasal, hindi si Patrick.